Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be doing is we need to write a function which needs to output a certain number of vowels. Okay, so if the number is vowels is less than the given number, we return not found. Okay, otherwise we return the vowels itself like that, right? So for that, maybe we can create a list of vowels, right? So let's do that. So let's create our list. All right. So that will be uh, I for I in string, right? And if I in a e I o u, right? So if it is there, then we basically create a new string, right? And once we've done that, what we can do next is now we know the count is there, right? So if length of the list is less than n, we return what? We return not found, right? Not found, found. And otherwise we simply return what? The values in it, right? So we can do a tuple kind of thing, I guess. I'm not sure if they want a tuple though, right? So they might want a string. So we might just do this dot join lst, right? Let's just hope that this thing works. Let's see. Okay, our result was a e i o u. Okay, 5. Expected result was a list. Okay, then that's easier then. Not a big deal for us. LST only, right? And why did the third case did not work? It only wanted one. What did we do? Okay, found f. F should not be capital. Okay, so let's run the code. Should work in my opinion. Okay, let's submit the code. Let's see how other people have done it. Okay, so let's see the solution as well. So in terms of solution, other people have done something similar. Just use lower in that when comparing it. That's fine. And if the length is that, then you return the vowels. Otherwise, not that, right? Okay. Yeah. So basically, this is a good solution in my opinion. Okay. So yeah, that's the best way to solve it. Okay. So that's how we can solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.